Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss something about experience on research. As Albert Einstein says, information is not knowledge. The only source of knowledge is experience. Yeah, every experience makes you grow. Today I am here to discuss something about why research is important in teaching field and what knowledge we gain through research. Yeah, nowadays research is very important in this modern world. To know what is happening in the industry, what is the recent trends, what are all the products innovated or what are all the products developed. So to know all these, we should have a research. We should do some research to know all these ideas. Yeah. Nowadays research is very important in teaching field. Yeah, teachers can actively participate, share their knowledge, which they gain through the research. There are some challenges which I too faced during starting my research, and I guess many people might be come across with this challenges. The main challenges which I believe is, first one is lack of focus, second one is fear of failure, and third one taking risks, no relevant experience on it, lack of information, limited support, and lack of self-confidence. So how to overcome all these challenges? Only if we overcome all these challenges, we can move to the next step of our life, which is called the research. Nowadays, research is becoming mainly important in all the fields, not alone in teaching field. It is mainly important in all the fields. Yeah, in order to overcome which I mentioned, the challenges above, first we want to write a research proposal. We have to discuss that with our supervisor or guide or the senior authorities of our organization. So we have to discuss what is the proposal. Based on their inputs, we have to change the proposal. We have to keep on improving the proposal, and finally we will be coming to some topic that we are going to make a research on it. So this is the first challenge. And the next one, I guess, is we should not be afraid of failures. We should just make a try first, and then we have to rectify in order to overcome the failures. Yeah. Similarly, don't always think that we don't have much experience or we are not strong with the particular field to take a research. Try to learn, try to take opportunities, try to attend seminars, webinars, which we improve our knowledge, which also helps in order to pursue our research. Since research is a long-term task, we need continuous motivation. We should not be dependent on motivation at anywhere till we complete the research. So motivation is very important. So accepting failures is very important. We have to make the concept clear, and we have to make use of opportunities. Other than this, we need self-confidence in order to present something, or in order to discuss something with the others, or in order to develop our knowledge. We should have more self-confidence. We should not be afraid of anything, which gives a maximum of success level in our research. Always we have to discuss with the higher officials, who during discussion we will be getting some topics or some related information which will be very fruitful for our research. So finally I conclude that saying research teaches more things, and research is very important for teaching profession. Thank you.